Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to show you how to make a 20-minute chicken caprese pasta. That's what I'm calling it, but you can call it whatever you want. Basically, it's the flavors of caprese, which as you know, it's mozzarella, tomato, and basil. Add a little protein, add a little starch, and you've got a really quick and easy weeknight meal that I'm sure everyone will love. And with everybody back to school, everybody back to work, fun time's over. I'm just kidding. I think we all always look for easy weeknight recipes, but it's even more important when it's back to school and you're in that sort of grind of you don't have time to mess around at night. So I think this 20-minute dinner is going to come together fast and you're going to love it. The ingredients you'll need are very few, very simple, easy ones. You need some chicken breasts that I've thinly sliced, cherry tomatoes that I've halved, and some of them that I've quartered because they were really big, lots of fresh basil, mozzarella that I've diced, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, pasta of your choice, and some Parmigiano Reggiano. That's it. Who doesn't love that? Minimal ingredients, maximum deliciousness. I've got a large skillet here. To it, I'm going to add some olive oil. Now I want to add a good amount of olive oil, about a quarter cup. This is going to feed 4 to 6 people because it's going to be a lot of the flavor that I'm going to want in the sauce, because the sauce is just olive oil, whatever drippings from the tomatoes, and some of the starchy cooking water, Parmigiano Reggiano. Boom, done. So I'm going to wait for the olive oil to get nice and hot, and while that happens, I'm just going to season my chicken with a little S&P. A little salt and pepper. And I'm going to add this to my hot skillet and just cook it until the chicken develops some color and it cooks all the way through. Chicken is done. I'm just going to take it out and put it onto a clean plate because now the chicken's cooked. You just want to make sure you put that onto a nice clean plate. And I'm going to turn I'm going to turn the heat down. Put that aside. So like medium low. I don't want anything too hot. I'm going to add the garlic. That's going to just sizzle for a second. Add a touch more olive oil if you have to. I just feel like right back here you just need a little small drizzle. And now the water is up to a boil for the pasta. The garlic is sizzling. I'm just going to add my tomatoes. And then just keep that on low. Keep it on nice and low and let those tomatoes burst and just gently heat through while we cook the pasta. I'm going to add the pasta to the boiling water, let it cook a minute shy of what the package says, and then I'll meet you back here with the drained pasta, the reserved cooking water, and then we pretty much put everything together. And it's that simple and easy. Tomatoes look awesome. I'm going to put the chicken back in. I'm going to add my drained pasta right back in, along with I'm going to crank the heat up a little bit, with some reserved cooking water. Now that is going to be really salty and it's starchy from the pasta, so as it all cooks together for about a minute or so on high heat, it creates a really lovely, delicious sauce, and it's going to come together really nicely when we add a healthy handful of Parmigiano Reggiano. See that right there? That's the sauce that you want. That is the gloriousness right there. I'm gonna add a good amount of Parmigiano. I would say about a half a cup of freshly grated. And that, like I said, it becomes almost like edible glue in a way. It kind of helps the sauce stick to the pasta and thicken slightly. It's phenomenal. You're gonna love it. Set that aside. See that? See how it just instantly kind of lets the sauce just hug the pasta? Turn this off now. Okay. At the very last minute, I'm going to add some hand-torn fresh basil from my garden. Granted, I don't take care of the garden. Joe does. But the point is, from my garden. Feels good to say it. Fresh basilico. Let me get another little piece here, because you know Caprese is all about that trinity of basil, mozz, and tomatoes. And the mozzarella is going to start to melt a little bit, and that is a beautiful, phenomenal feast that everyone's going to love, picky eaters included, because everybody loves pasta, everybody loves mozzarella, and I know anybody that doesn't like chicken. Let's give this a taste, shall we? Wow, this is beautiful. I want a little bit of everything. Wow, that sauce is glossy and beautiful. Let's give it a go. Hey, oh, the mozzarella's in there. I was like, where'd it go? No words. I mean, that went down like cold lemonade on a hot summer day. Fast, delicious, hit the spot. It's so good. It's so easy, fast, and I'm telling you, you're gonna have this in your recipe repertoire from this day forward because it's that good and that easy. Go to LauraInTheKitchen.com for the written recipe. I'm staring at this like we've got a love affair going on. Hope you enjoy spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.